place here in Budapest. So when you walk in the front door, you are walking sort of into a teeny tiny little mini foyer. And we really like this coat rack here, so we hung all of our coats on here. We love these little hooks, which are kind of cool. And then it spills right into the kitchen on this side. It's a tiny little kitchen. You can see I can just stretch my arms out a little bit here. But probably our favorite feature of this kitchen are the customized cabinets. If I asked you, where is the refrigerator, and asked you to point it out, it probably wouldn't be super easy or intuitive at first. But this is the freezer right underneath the microwave. And then this is the refrigerator. So we love how everything is just sort of clean lines and hidden here. We did have an oven and we had a cooktop, which was nice. And it was also equipped with a hot pot, which we have grown to love in pretty much almost 100% of the different places that we've lived. We've had a hot pot, which we are going to purchase when we get back to the States. This is also the dishwasher, which is a nice feature. And again, just sort of hidden within that customized cabinet look. So this has been the kitchen and it's been super awesome. Then we kind of move into the living area and the dining area, which, as you know, I love having it sort of all together so that we can feel together even if someone's in there preparing a meal while someone's out here. So we had a dining room table where we could play cards at night, and we did a lot of eating here. Even if we went out and got takeout and brought it back, we did our most of our dining in. I love the natural light in this apartment. So if you look here, there's a huge bank of windows and it looks down into a courtyard. So this courtyard is great. It has a play area, which was really nice for Autumn and Eden. And then it's just very private and quiet on this side of the apartment, which was very nice to have sort of that haven in a super busy city like Budapest. So that spills in here into the living area, and we have a couch. It's a really nice, big, comfortable couch. It does pull out into a bed, so if you needed to sleep a couple more people here, you could. And then obviously a chair, and then we have a TV here, large screen TV. We didn't really use it much because I'm not sure if any of the channels were in English, but it's okay because we didn't really have a lot of time to watch TV anyway. So I'm going to take you back into the sleeping areas. So this room, we just recently dubbed it the blue room. As you can see, it's got a lot of blue themes. We love this artwork here. And yeah, we put the girls in here because Autumn's backpack, if you'll notice, and her purse match the blue theme. We didn't really put her in here because it matches the blue theme. But again, you can see there's a couple of big windows here, lots of natural light in this apartment. And yeah, one thing I did want to show you is these are external blinds that come down over the windows, which obviously works as a light darkening shade, but also it works to keep some of the noise from the outside busy street out. So it's very nice. And that is on every single window bank from this side as well as the other side that I showed you, which was a cool feature. We hadn't seen that before. Okay, so I'm going to take you into the next bedroom. So this next bedroom we just recently dubbed the orange room for obvious reasons. So everything in here is kind of orange, pretty artwork here up on the wall as well. We have the two window banks, or two windows here on the back side. And I don't know if we can show you the outside. This side of the apartment is really busy. So you can look out and see that there's just a really busy street. In fact, I can just kind of show you the window. You can listen to it maybe. So I don't know if you can hear that or not. But the other cool feature of these windows is it opens like this. And then if I turn it like this, it opens this way. So it's really nice, just different. So that's the windows. I'm going to show you the bathroom next. Actually, I'm going to show you the two bathrooms that we have, which is unusual for us. So this bathroom is sort of the cave bathroom. It's super teeny tiny, just a bathroom, and all of the lights are on. So you can see why we kind of called it the cave bathroom, because there's no light and you feel like you're in a cave. but it's functional, and that's the important thing. So this is the main bathroom. So in here we had a bathtub, which was lovely. I think everyone except for me got the opportunity to take a bath, a nice hot warm bath. And then this is a nice big shower with a door that opens like this. Just a small hot water tank though, so not a lot of time to take a long hot shower. And then we usually try to look for a place that has at least a washer, because we are traveling obviously extensively and we like to have the opportunity to do our laundry. So yeah, nice, easy, awesome bathroom. So yeah, this has been our house here in Budapest, our apartment here in Budapest, and it's been a really, really good stay. A little bit loud in some respects on that side of the apartment, but it's been comfortable, it's been safe, it's been a haven for us in the center of a busy city, and we've really enjoyed our time here. So we hope that you enjoyed our tour of this apartment. If you did, it would be great if you gave us a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel because we have so many more videos coming your way. And as always, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have a wonderful day and thanks for following our journey. Bye.